In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI 2026. Step by step. By the end, you'll be comfortable generating polished images, refining them, and downloading your favorites while using your credits wisely. First, head to the Leonardo AI website and create your account. Click Sign Up, choose to register with your email or a Google account, and then verify your account to unlock access. Once you're in, you'll receive free daily tokens that you can use to generate images so you can start creating right away. On the dashboard, you'll notice three core areas. AI. Image generation is the main workspace where most beginners start. The canvas editor is for making targeted changes to parts of an image. And models and presets lets you pick base styles that influence how your images look. Feel free to browse, but we'll begin with image generation. Open AI image generation and type a clear prompt. This is the description of what you want to see. For instance, try. Aesthetic workspace setup, soft lighting, minimal, high quality 4K. Then click Generate. Leonardo will produce multiple variations so you can compare and choose what you like best. Before you generate, consider fine-tuning a few settings for better results. Choose a model that matches your vision, like realistic or anime styles. Pick an image size such as 1024 by 1024 for square or 1280 by 720 for widescreen. Set the aspect ratio to fit your use case, like 1:1 for social posts or 16:9 for video thumbnails. You can also select the number of images to create several versions at once. Smaller batches help conserve tokens while you explore. Great prompts make great images. A simple structure that works well is subject plus style plus lighting plus quality. For example, modern office desk, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, high detail, 4K. The more specific you are about mood, materials, colors, or camera style, the more accurate the output tends to be. When you want more control, open the canvas editor. Here, you can tweak parts of an image, remove or add elements, and adjust composition to push a good result into great territory. If your first try isn't perfect, iterate. Adjust your prompt, tweak settings, and regenerate. Small, focused changes are the fastest path to consistently strong images. Once you find a result you love, click it and hit download. You can use your image for content, thumbnails, ads, and more. Finally, manage your tokens carefully. Each generation uses credits and free accounts have a daily limit. Plan prompts, generate in thoughtful batches, and avoid spamming the button to make the most of your allowance.